Today we're going to talk about the biggest problems I have to deal with on a daily basis. Okay, I got two of them. One of them is clients that don't respond to me after countless number of me sending emails or using Teams, Microsoft Teams, or Google Chat, whatever the case is. A lot of times they don't respond, or it takes a very long time to respond, and my work ends up getting backed up because of their lack of response. That's very aggravating for me, but it is what it is, and I got to deal with it. And I'm sure a lot of you probably deal with it as well. But it is, it sucks, but it's part of it. And I'll say the next one is posting on social media. I'm getting stuck in this one little section. Okay, I'm on Upwork. If you are familiar with Upwork, it's a platform where freelancers and businesses can connect and uh, conduct jobs. Accounting, bookkeeping. It could be some social media posting or copywriting, whatever the case is. Pretty good website. I'm on there. I'm top rated. I should be higher than that, but the threshold for that is bigger, and a lot of the book cleanups are not that much money at the beginning. It takes a long time to get to that. I think it's $10,000 is the threshold. You got to hit $10,000 to be able to be at the top rated plus. Okay, so that's why I'm not there. If you're wondering, oh, you've been here blah 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 amount of years, that's the reason, because a lot of the times it's not, you know, the jobs are not that big at $10,000. It takes a while to get to $10,000. Usually about a year probably or so at the hourly rate that I'm getting paid now. Um, but posting on social media, because, and this is a good one for you if you are a business owner yourself, is you have to advertise as well, because if I don't want to get stuck in this box of I'm only a freelancer, even though I own my own company. And a lot of times I'll have clients, and I try to stay away from clients, I should say, because I really don't have clients. I have one client like that now that thinks I'm an employee. They treat me like an employee. I have to remind them I'm not your employee. I'm a business owner. You treat business owners different, or business to business transactions, you treat them different than you do an employee. Unfortunately, that's the way it is, because I can say, I don't want to be your client anymore, or I don't want you to be my client anymore, I should say. So a lot of businesses don't understand that, especially young business owners, they don't understand that, hey, I have to treat this other business owner different, because I interact with a lot of businesses. You got to think that as well. I might have a business that might need your services. I can say, oh, I have a client that does what you're needing, blah, 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 whatever the case is. So that's something that a lot of business owners don't understand. But posting on social media, because I don't want to get stuck in this box of I'm only a freelancer, and then if that dries up, which it could happen, if I get kicked off that site for some stupid reason, which are very particular about their service agreements. You have to act a specific way. You cannot contact them outside the platform until you conduct a contract or begin a contract. You cannot talk to them outside that until that happens. So a lot of business owners don't understand that, or they won't contact me afterwards because of that reason. They'll give me their phone number. Hey, can you contact? I have to tell them, say, hey, I would, but I have to do this. So if that dries up, if I accidentally call them, which I don't do, but if I call that number that client's prospective client gives me, then I could be in violation of those terms in the terms of agreement. Okay, or those terms rather. So you gotta be very careful. So posting on social media is my hardest, because a lot of times I don't know what to say. That's another one. You know, Everybody wants you to be perfect all the time on social media, but the problem is a lot of times you don't know what to say. What can you say? Because what I say could be different mindset of somebody else. That's something that I fight with on a daily basis, as far as posting on social media, because I never know what to say. So that's why I'm just doing videos just to throw it out there, and just start talking about different business practices that I see that are bull crap a lot of times, and uh, stuff that I see that is good that you should incorporate into your business, because I have a lot of business experience, um, and I've seen a lot of things happen, and a lot of companies that fall or falter because of their business practices. And a lot of times they don't have a person to say, hey, man, you got to do this, or you need to focus a lot more on this, because this is over, it's getting messed up. or you need to work on your workflow because your workflow is a mess. So, but anyways, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts about this topic as well. What are some things that you find it hard to keep track of or to do as a business owner? I'm interested in learning to find out what your answer is to this question. But anyways, thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. Bye bye.